Yes, hello everybody and welcome to another daily dose of Toshi's tutorials. Today's date is Tuesday the 27th of June 2023, the year of BSV. Let's get into it. So I've just written this titled, Bitcoin, what is it? Fairly good question if you ask me and quite straightforward. So here we go. Bitcoin is a fixed supply of non-fungible token NFT data that is used as a method of payment for uploading digital data onto the Bitcoin network. The cost of uploading data onto the Bitcoin network is measured in Satoshis per byte of data memory stroke storage, often known as sats per byte. The Bitcoin, let me just continue that down there. The Bitcoin network is globally distributed and economically competitive, and therefore without any central point of authority or control. Those operations that contribute towards sustaining the network are economically incentivized to do so by being rewarded in Bitcoin for the processing of uploads onto the network, referred to as transaction processing. The reason for uploading digital information onto the Bitcoin network would be for the purpose of data integrity and security. The network does not have any central point of failure and therefore no central point of control or authority that can delete the data either. Because the uploading of data goes through the process of blockchain technology, where each bit of information is cryptographically linked via hash numbers to the previous bit of data, there is no way for the data to be cracked, hacked, altered, changed, or deleted, meaning that the network is not susceptible to either cybersecurity hacks or computer virus software. This also means that whoever uploads data owns the data because each upload has a digital signature attached to it, and the system itself is without any central point of authority or control. The Bitcoin protocol is often referred to as Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, because it allows for digital payments and data sovereignty where content creators can now own and economically benefit from their own content creation rather than having to surrender sovereignty to a corporate server. Bitcoin is the world's first commercial internet, and until an alternative energy source is discovered that is faster and more efficient than light, Bitcoin is likely to remain the most valuable commodity and network on Earth. Quotes here, Bitcoin is the foundation layer of all future digital technologies, secured and underpinned by economic principles. From myself. Bitcoin is classified as a commodity because it remains common to everyone in six aspects. They are 1. A common starting point that provided an equal opportunity for anyone and everyone to start the network themselves. 2. Economic competition, providing a common entry and exit to sustaining the network. 3. A chain of digital signatures, providing common accountability amongst the network users. 4. A locked protocol that remains common to everyone, so no one can change it and no one controls it. 5. Unbounded scale that remains common to everyone, so limitations and restrictions cannot be manufactured and the network not be manipulated. And 6. A fixed token supply that remains common to everyone, so no one can change it and no one controls it. The Bitcoin network is given more credibility as a commodity classification because the network has grown organically without any central point of influence. The release of the white paper and the start of the network were done pseudonymously under the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. There are a number of Bitcoins out there. How can I tell if I have a genuine Bitcoin? A template to the original and genuine Bitcoin protocol is the legacy wallet address used. A wallet address is a cryptographically generated random line of letters and numbers, but each and every genuine Bitcoin legacy address starts with the number 1. Bitcoin started out on the 3rd of January 2009, being recognized by the ticker symbol BTC. Each BTC legacy address started with the number 1. An alternative protocol was proposed and created from the Bitcoin protocol on the 1st of August 2017 called SegWit. This fundamentally changed the protocol, resulted in a change to the legacy addresses used, and meant that the alternative protocol had addresses starting with the letters BC or the number 3. However, this alternative protocol was granted the ticker symbol BTC. The original protocol and genuine Bitcoin legacy addresses were rebranded and renamed Bitcoin Cash with the ticker symbol BCH, but this protocol was altered once again on the 15th of November 2018, and wallet addresses started to begin with the letters P or Q. So on the 15th of November 2018, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin legacy addresses were rebranded and renamed Bitcoin Satoshi Vision with the ticker symbol BSV. If you are not storing in or transferring Bitcoin to a wallet address that starts with the number 1, you are not storing or transferring Bitcoin. There we go. You heard it here first. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.